Welcome to Study Loop.
So here we're going to say upwards is positive for vertical motion. So we can say that the Vx is going to equal 10.0 meters per second. Of course, Vy would equal positive 5.0 meters per second. And we can say that the velocity vector in vector notation would be 10.0 meters per second I hat plus 5.0 meters per second j hat. To find the magnitude, this would be equal to the square root of the sum of the squares. So 10.0 squared plus 5.0 squared all to the 1/2 power. This simply take the square root. This is equaling 11.2 meters per second. So this would be the magnitude. And then to find the direction, we would take arctan of the y component, 5, divided by the x component, 10. So tangent of 1/2, and this is equaling 27 degrees. We have a positive y and a positive x. So essentially, we're in the first quadrant. So it would be 27 degrees above positive x-axis. So that would be for part A. For part B here, the only change would be going downward. So now Vy initial, or rather we can just say Vy, would be equal to negative 5.0 meters per second. So here, the velocity vector would be 10.0 meters per second I hat minus 5.0 meters per second j hat. However, here the magnitude, because the absolute value of both of the components are exactly the same, the magnitude is also going to be the exact same. So the magnitude here would be, again, 11.2 meters per second. The direction would be equal to, again, 27 degrees. However, we have a positive x and a negative y. So here we're essentially in the fourth quadrant. So this would be 27 degrees below the positive x-axis. So this would be your answer for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.